Hi guys, I'm going to make Ukrainian borscht and very easy way, so vegan Ukrainian. So I want to show how I'm do it fast and easy. We will need potato. I have 4, pepper, carrot, red beet. I love this one. Sauce, tomato, vegans, cabbage, oil, cilantro, and this is little shredder. I love it and it's helped me to do fast job. Shred vegetables, carrot and red beet. You definitely can have onion with your vegetables, but I don't. That's why I'm using asafoetida powder instead of onion. Slice your pepper. Add to your pan. When your vegetables look halfway ready, just add your sauce, tomato sauce. Cover and steam on low heat. On meantime, I'm going to shred cabbage. I cut potato for 4 pieces, like that. Add potato and boil water. Make sure you have space for cabbage later. So leave some space for cabbage, please. Salt, red pepper, and black one. When your potato ready and soft, you just mash. Add cabbage and let it boil for 10-15 minutes. Add your greens. I love cilantro, but you can add dill or parsley, whatever you want. And my favorite phrase, enjoy your borscht.